Hi, I'm Gardner with Gardner Furniture Company. Today we're going to be talking about how to build one of our pieces of furniture for delivery, the footstool. In this project, you're going to need a couple items. We supplied several of the items for you. A glue bottle, a driver tip, a hardware package, and you're going to need a 9/16 inch wrench or socket and a driver or screw gun. As you unpack your box, you're going to find several pieces. Two front legs, labeled A and B, and your stool piece. You'll notice one side has a handle, a wider gap for a handle. Assembly of our footstool is quite simple. When you unpack your box, you're going to notice a couple pieces. Two rear legs, labeled A and B, and the footstool body. You'll notice that on the footstool body, one side has a slightly wider gap to act as a handle. To begin our assembly, we turn the footstool over and locate our footstool labeled A. Using the carriage bolt, we apply a thin layer of glue onto the leg, and then using our carriage bolt inserted from the side, we temporarily put the leg into place, using a nut and washer, finger tightened, to hold it down. Grabbing leg B, we do this, apply thin layer of glue, and attach the leg on the other side. Flip the stool over and let the legs rest on the floor until you've found an alignment where the leg rests nicely on the floor and the piece doesn't move with any rocking. At this point, grab your wrench and tighten it down on both sides. Grab your screw gun and the screws, and you'll find underneath the leg a location for each screw to be screwed in here and here. With those two screws in, our footstool is complete. Thanks for purchasing a Gardner Furniture stool.